What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, it's pretty late right now. We're actually gonna go on a little drive, me and the guys, me, Sticks, and JD, sort of like a last minute thing. So I actually went and filled up gas earlier because the car was pretty much empty. And on my way, I noticed something. Fortunately guys, I think the M3 has a low tire. So I was driving on my way to get gas and the car felt really wobbly. I checked the tire pressure and the front left one was saying about like 26 PSI. That's not low, but the front right was about like 34. So I have this brolic thing right over here. It's a whole bunch of things, but it's also a tire pressure pump. I'll show you guys this in another video. It's actually really, really cool. But for now, I need this right over here. Sorry guys, I'm rushing because again, literally everyone is already there except for me. I'm running late because I'm an idiot. But yeah, this is the little thing that I got. I say little, this thing's actually massive. It's cool, it has a tire pressure thing right over here. It has a thing right over here to like boost your car, you know, like the little jumper cable pack. So this thing kind of is like an all-in-one. Also has a really strong LED light, which is pretty handy. So yeah, this thing kind of like does it all. But anyways, we're gonna head over to where Six and JD are. Guys, look who it is. Yo, Sticks, say what's up.
What's up, YouTube? AKA Sticks, back at it again on A-Man's channel.
Okay. that sound disturbs me for some reason. I don't know what it is. That sound just like weirds me out. All right, anyways, guys, we've been here for like 30 minutes doing absolutely nothing. I was debating spending $1 on a drink because I stupidly forgot to fill up my water. But we're gonna drive to the city. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna do a POV maybe. Hopefully it's not eventful because the last time we couldn't make it because this guy over here had some. Yo, Sticks, you got any funny noises coming out of your car?
Nah, not tonight.
You should.
Tonight we good.
Did you hear JD on the? All right, good. Yo, JD, stop making weird noises. Stop. I swear to God, they're gonna drive me crazy. All right, let's go. Yalla, habibi.
So many demons inside of my life, you would thought to sell. 비 오는 날에 내 비 오는 소리 듣고 when I locked in the cell. I've been out counting the bill. 같이 올 때까지 man, cause this is for real. Yeah, this is for real. 꿈에서 나타난 아마 struck up a deal. 아마가 하라고 해서 I still remember that. I lost my way now, running back, forget the word. You know I took the road. 복수자 ain't 표명이고, you know why they be calling me.
Oh, so far so good. You heard? My car ain't making no funny noises today.
Talking baby, 비활력이 okay. 나한테 욕을 했던 날 의심했던 조심해. I get you baby. 난 벌어 big sex. You play this game, you look at it saying and I think you know that. 돈이 문제라면 my vision is blurred. 내 머릿속 초록색 paper만 보는 내 목표고 색다른 rhythm of money and flow. 돈이 문제라면 my vision is 2020. flipping the cash 빨리 털어야지 아직 하나까지 모으기 시작해내지.
Alright guys, we just made it to the city. You can see all the buildings over there. About to pass through the tunnel, so we'll try to get some good sound clips. I need to make the G80 louder, man. That's my goal. I need to make this car like just stupidly loud, so that way it's more exciting on camera. Because as much as I love the way it sounds right now, we gotta make it a little louder, a little more exciting. So we're gonna work on that, I promise. Hey man, your car's obnoxiously loud. I don't like it. What are you trying to impress me? Are you trying to impress me? Oh my God. He's aggressive, huh? By the way, guys, which one are you gonna take? A 440 or a 435? It sounds like a hybrid. You guys make my car sound so quiet. Yo guys, check out this M550. Should I get this as the next car? That'd be a sick daily. These things are fast too. And that color looks really good. No idea what it's called, but it looks sick. All right guys, we made it to Times Square. We're gonna see if we can find parking, but maybe we'll just drive through it. Yeah, Times Square definitely is it's definitely a vibe. I don't know if in a good way or a bad way, but either way, it's definitely a vibe. We always come to Times Square because I feel like there's always something to see. There's always something weird going on. I've had a few interesting things happen to me in Times Square, so you never know what's gonna happen. Guys, look, the G80's popular. How'd it turn out? That looks sick. Hold on, let me get a quick shot. That looks sick, man. Good stuff. That was sick. I thought he was gonna charge me for that picture or something, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Actually, it was a pretty fire picture. Yo, guy, if you see this video, tag me. All right, guys, we just parked up. So we got G80, the 435. This guy, that's copyrights, 440,000. And random, is that a Hellcat? I don't know. Either way, yo, check this out real quick. Look at this. Check out the door lights, guys. He looks so much better over here. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop it a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Go subscribe to Sticks. Go subscribe to JD. Get him to 1,000.
Get me to 10K, please, bro.
Get him some friends.
I need friends.
I need friends too, guys. Be my friend. Anyways, with that said, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Look at this guy. Look at that crackhead.
Bro, what are you doing? Get in your car.
Stop. That laugh is gonna drive me crazy.